Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. I am presenting you the solutions of JEE Advanced 2018. This is question number 14 from paper 2 from the topic binomial theorem. Subtopic is properties of binomial coefficients. Let us see what this question is. Let x is equal to 10c1 whole square plus 2 into 10c2 whole square plus 3 into 10c3 whole square plus and so on plus 10 into 10c10 whole square, where 10c r belongs to 1 comma 2 up to 10 denote binomial coefficients. Then value of x upon 1430 is. Now to solve this question, I have multiple methods. Let me tell you one by one. My first method is the use of PNC. Okay, now to do this question by method 1, I am writing x equal to sigma r into 10cr into 10cr, and this another 10cr I am writing as 10c 10 minus r. Okay, and this r is starting from 1 to 10. Let me put this r into 10cr in one bracket and 10c 10 minus r in another bracket. Now to solve this question by PNC, I am assuming that we need to select 10 persons from 10 girls and 10 boys, so that at least one girl is to be selected, and those selected girls, we will make one girl as a captain of whole selection. Okay, let me write what I said. Number 1, 10 persons to be selected. 2, at least one girl to be selected. And number 3, one girl out of selected ones to be made captain. Okay, this is what I am saying. Now, if that is so, let us see what all cases will be made if we do it one by one. Suppose we select only one girl. That will be done in 10c1 ways. And then I select 9 boys from 10 boys, so it will be done in 10c9 ways. And then the selected girl will be made as captain because we have only one girl. So I am multiplying this by 1 plus. Now we are selecting 2 girls. Then it will be 10c2, and out of 2 girls we are selecting one of them as the captain. So I have 2 ways to make a captain. Into remaining 8 boys will be selected from 10, so 10c8. Similarly, if we select 3 girls, so that will be done by 10c3, and making one of them as captain will be done into 3 ways, and then out of 10, 7 boys are to be selected, and so on. In the end, you will have 10 into 10c10 for 10 girls and 1 captain into 10c0, because no boy need to be selected now. Now you can check this summation here which I have written. It is exactly what x is. Okay, now we need to find this x. I am making this process, this same process, but in reverse order. Let us first select one captain from 10 girls. Okay, so this will be done in 10c1 ways. And this has already made sure that at least one girl is selected. Okay, now we may choose or we may not choose any girl after that. In fact, we still need 9 more person to be selected because we have already selected one girl and we have made that as captain. So from remaining 19 persons, we need to select 9 persons. It can consist of girl, some boy in that combination. So this value of x can be written directly as 10c1, that is 10 only, into 19c9. Okay, this is one part. And now they're asking x upon 1430, which I can write as 19c9 upon 143. Now this is a big task. This we can write as 19 into 18 into so on into 11 upon 9 factorial into 143. If you simplify it, we get this to be 646. So this is the answer. Okay, that is one method. Now coming to second method. Method 2 is also similar, but that is not in terms of PNC, but in terms of coefficient method. Let us see how. We can write x once again same as r into 10cr into 10c 10 minus r I am writing. And then this r into 10cr can be written as 10 into 9cr minus 1 using the property of binomial coefficients. Okay, now we can take 10 common and you can see we have product of coefficients so that the number written below has same sum, that is 9 here, and sum here is 19. So this can be directly written because that's very standard process, 19c9. That will be the answer of x. In fact, this can be seen as, please understand, coefficient of x raised to the power 9 in x plus 1 raised to the power 9 into 1 plus x raised to the power 10. If you expand x plus 1 raised to the power 9, you will get 10 terms. If you expand 1 plus x power 10, you will get 11 terms. If you try to find all the terms of x power 9, you will get this sum. And this can also be done directly as 1 plus x power 19. From this, if we find the coefficient of x power 9, we will get 19c9. So this is how also we get same thing. So x upon 1430, if we solve as we did in the previous method, answer comes out to be 646. So this completes the solution of this question. Answer is 646. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more solutions. Bye.